Okay, let's look at this one right here. So remember, when you are multiplying and you have the same base number, but it stays the same. And when you're dividing, it actually stays the same too, except when we were multiplying, we added, right? We added these two numbers together. And when you're dividing, guess what? You subtract them. So really, this one's going to be 6 minus a minus 3. So minus a minus is really just plus. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So let's do another one, maybe something a little simpler. 5 to the 10 divided by 5 to the 5. So the answer is going to be with the 5 stay the same. Then we take this minus that. 10 minus 5 is 5. And remember, when you're multiplying, you're adding these two top numbers. When you're dividing, you're subtracting. And let's talk real quick, a little refresher on adding and subtracting with negative numbers. So if I take a number and I subtract another number, and that's obvious, right? 10 minus 5 is 5. But if I take a 10 and I add a negative 5, so 10 plus negative 5, well, that's the same thing as 10 minus 5. But if I do 10 minus a negative 5, that's the same thing as 10 plus. And minus a negative makes them both plus. So 10 plus 5 is 15. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 plus a negative 5 is 5. 10 minus a negative 5 is plus. And if I say, obviously, 10 minus a positive 5, well, these are the opposites, so I'll keep them. So it's really just 10 minus 5. 5. That's the same thing as that first one right there. We don't write the plus next to it because it's already plus by itself. Okay? So remember, dividing, you subtract those top two numbers. When you're multiplying, you add those top two numbers.